How unique and innovative RedSky is. Hello, today we will see how unique and innovative RedSky is. Have you ever thought you would have a revenue strategic partner who transforms your business and how hotels grow? Where human expertise meets smart technology to power next-generation revenue strategies. What makes RedSky unique? Precise and data-driven decisions. 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We are not just another revenue management service. We are a catalyst for smarter and more profitable hospitality 24/7 and 365 days. Let's understand what makes us different. Human plus tech synergy combines deep industry expertise with intelligent technology to create real-time, data-driven decisions, data-driven strategies that deliver results. No guesswork, just smart, responsive actions that maximize revenue. Unlike others, we don't just advise from the sidelines. Hands-on support. We work hands-on with your hotel team to implement effective pricing, forecasting, and distribution strategies tailored to your unique market. Most importantly, focus on profitability. We focus on what truly matters, not just growing revenue, but driving real profitability for your business. Smarter decisions, stronger profits. The future of hotel revenue management starts here. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and press the red icon button to subscribe to our channel for more updates.